How to use Quick Look Markup on your Mac? If you want to quickly annotate images or PDFs without opening a separate app, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open Finder on your Mac. Once you're inside Finder, locate the image or PDF that you want to edit. Select the file, then press the spacebar to open it in Quick Look. Now click the Markup button at the top of the Quick Look window. The Markup toolbar will appear, giving you access to tools such as Sketch, Draw, Shapes, Text, Sign, Crop, and more. Use the available tools to make the changes you want to your file. Once you're finished editing, click Done to save your changes. If you don't want to keep the edits, click Revert instead. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.